Hello guys, today you all have joined for the second lesson of our music production course. If you haven't watched the previous video yet, I invite everyone to go and check that out first. Right, today I'm going to show you how to install a VST plugin into the FL Studio software. So let's start today's lesson. Make sure to watch the video until the end. Right, first open your FL Studio software. Now we need to install the plugin. I have already downloaded a plugin like this. First, let's extract the file. Okay, now just install it like you normally install any other software. Right, then open FL Studio again and go to the options menu at the top. From there, click on Manage Plugins. Okay, now click on Find Installed Plugins. Right, now our plugin has been installed. If you scroll down to the bottom, the plugin highlighted in yellow is the one we just installed. Now click the star mark in front of the plugin and then close this window. Right, now let's check if our plugin is working. Right, as you can see, the plugin I installed has opened like this. I will bring another video later explaining how to use this plugin. So if you like this video, please give it a like and make sure to subscribe to the channel. Also share this video with your friends. Alright then, see you in another video. Have a great day everyone.